My name is Mustapha Turay. I was born in one of the most deprived communities in Sierra Leone. At a point in time in my life, I have to choose between shoes and school fees. I vowed that whatsoever education I have in the United States, I will come back home to give back. If it can work in one of the most deprived parts of the world, then it can work everywhere. We were fortunate to build the first future learning institute in Kano, which I am currently directing. And after graduating hundreds of students, we now partner with the Kano University of Science and Technology to see how we can scale up this program. The Future Learning Institute is our platform that is the first in a pilot program in Sierra Leone and houses the Community Learning Resource Center, which caters for both students that want to go to college and those that were completely deprived, and is housed in Trico College. Trico College is accredited in Sierra Leone to give college certificates. So the three comes in one and is helping to solve the educational problem of our students that are found in the most deprived communities in Sierra Leone.